Should you fill out customer questionnaires or audit catalogs again by hand? That takes days, sometimes weeks too. Yet again, you must search for evidence, copy and paste, and approvals. And in the end, you get questions because answers aren't consistent. With AiAuditBuddy, upload your evidence once. I simply upload here the relevant documents, guidelines, process descriptions, reports, evidence, all centralized, structured, and immediately ready for the next questionnaires. Next, upload the client survey or audit catalog. Whether Excel, PDF, or a list, AiAuditBuddy recognizes the questions automatically and prepares everything so you don't have to go through line by line. From here, the system handles the tedious work without constant back and forth between files. And now comes the decisive step. From your stored proofs, AiAuditBuddy delivers consistent, evidence-based answers in minutes, not days. Here, for each question, you see the AI answer with its supporting evidence, and even exactly where the information sits in the document. And if something's missing, you can see it immediately. Gap analysis clearly shows what exists and what is still missing, so you can supply it precisely. This prevents follow-up questions because every answer is verifiable and traceable. Important: AiAuditBuddy is GDPR compliant and will be securely hosted in Germany. Start the free 14-day demo right now. Completely straightforward. With the provided test documents, you will reach the aha moment in under 5 minutes. Your customers, auditors, your wallet, and your nerves will absolutely love it.